Good morning, sir. This is the video presentation of our group for the second machine problem. I'm Minerva Basilia, Ben Lopez, John Gan,
Wilson Buhaw,
Rafael De Los Santos,
Patrick Baba, Ariel Reyes,
Joe Bautista.
So we have here the PLC, which has the 4 push buttons. This is for the first floor, second floor, third floor, and the fourth floor. Then we have our BFD here, the motor, and our elevator. Then for the presentation, we have here Ben to demonstrate it to us. Second floor. Third floor. Fourth floor. There. Back to third floor.
Oh, wait, ano na tayo?
Second floor. First floor.
First floor and third floor.
First floor, then third floor. There. Back to first floor. There. No tricks. Forward arms. There. Back to first floor.
There.
Then second, let's try second floor to fourth floor. You see, it's on second floor. If I press second floor, it will not move. See?
There.
Then let's try to fourth floor again.
There.
Fourth floor, I try to press fourth floor, it doesn't move.
Yes.
Then back to second floor.
There.
And that ends our video presentation. Bye, sir.